here, welcome back to my channel. Today is the next look in my party series, and today I'm doing a party on the greens look. So that's for if you're going to, say, the horse races, or there's a party somewhere out in the garden. So I guess anywhere that involves being dressed up in a nice pretty dress and being on a lawn, I guess. This is the look that I've come up with. It's very pink, it's very sort of springtime look, but definitely a look that can be worn both during the day and at night. For this look, I have used the much anticipated Blood Sugar palette. I finally got mine in the mail. You know, like a lot of people out there, I did have to wait like 5-6 weeks for the pre-order to come in, but let me tell you, it was definitely worth the wait. The colors in this palette are unbelievable. You really just have to touch the brush into the color. The color payoff is just so intense and incredible. Like it's literally a couple of lifetimes it's gonna take to actually get through this palette, especially when you consider how big the pan sizes are. For this look, I have definitely had a good play with the palette. I've used a good 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a good 6 colors, 6, 7 colors from this palette. So I can definitely say, you know, I've had a good crack at testing out the colors and seeing how it all works. And yeah, the colors blend absolutely beautifully and are just so vibrant. I really enjoyed working with this palette. If you are considering getting this palette and you're not sure whether you should go for it or not, I would definitely recommend getting it. Definitely if you're into bright colors especially. The colors, like I said, are just unbelievable. Like seriously, like from another world. So anyway, stick around and let me show you how to get this look.
To wait for the right time, and I think tonight might just be right. I know you want to do it too, so bring your courage, there's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me, take my hand. Any minute now, get ready to smile. And I just wanna see the colors and rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just in this dream forever. Just forever. Just in this dream forever. Now that you're knee deep in this vice, just enjoy, take my advice. You say